If you want to create an e-report card for every student in your class, this is the video. Okay, open Google Drive and click on that new button to create a new folder and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it report card. Okay, now open that folder and we're going to create a Google spreadsheet now. Okay, and now we're going to create a Google Slides. Okay, these two files are going to get saved in this report card folder. Yeah, okay. And then we're going to rename these files as report card itself. And the slides as well. Okay, we're going to create a mark list. I'll just speed it up, okay? I'm just going to show you a formula for this total value. An easy one and a quick one. Okay, click on an equal sign, the easy one. Okay, this is type C2 as in the C column, the second value, and then D2 as well as the last value till the last value. This is the first formula. If you want to do it much quicker and easier, you type sum, open parentheses, and then C2 and a colon and the last value H2. Now H2, yeah. Okay, what this will do now is sum means adding from C2 till H2. So we're gonna just shorten the first formula here. That's it. Okay, I'm gonna click enter. After that, the values are here. Okay, I'm just gonna click on autofill to fill the other values. Okay, mostly this value is finished. Okay, we're gonna go into the Google Slides and I'm gonna apply a layout, a blank one, and then I'm going to change this page size. Click on file and click on the page setup. Okay, click on that widescreen and then click on custom, and then change the values from 8 to 8 and 11. This is the standard value for the A4 sheet, so I'm going to change it, and voila, let's change it. I'm just going to zoom in for a better viewing. Okay, now I'm just going to create a text box for the name of the school. Yeah. Click on it and just drag it. And click on the T button and then drag it. Okay, I'm just going to type the school's name. You can type your own school's name. I'm just typing this for example. Okay, I'm just going to align it into the center. Okay, now I'm just going to add the report card text inside it again. Okay, now I'm going to create another text box for the same names of the student. Okay, here I'm going to create a name tag for this. This is going to substitute the value from here to here. Just open less than values, type on less than values twice, and then write the name exactly as it is, and write it your own self. Make sure you don't copy these values, write it manually. Okay, sure you do that. Okay, now click on the greater than twice. Next, I'm gonna do the same for the class as well. Okay, now I'm gonna insert a table inside it for the subjects and the marks. I'm just gonna adjust it. And I'm gonna type the values. Now I'm just going to create a tag for these subjects as well as I did as the name. Okay, make sure you don't copy these values and pasting there. It will not work. I'll show you what happens later. Typing the total value. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna create another text box for the signature, parent and teachers. Okay, now the job is finished here as well. Okay, and what this is gonna do is it's going to substitute the data values here into this template. This is going to be a template for that spreadsheet. Okay, now go into the spreadsheet. We're going to use an application, an add-on. So click on the add-on folder and click. Can you see autocrat? That's what we're going to use. Click on the get add-on file. Okay, now search for autocrat here. Now click on the autocrat file, and this is gonna be autocrat, and make sure you install it. I've already installed it, so it's saying uninstall. Make sure you install it. Okay, now I'm just gonna close it and click on add-ons, click on autocrat and launch the autocrat. Okay, now it's open. Click on new job and we'll just start it. Now for the first step, I'm going to name my job as demo report. Yeah, demo report card. Okay, next we're going to choose a template. We created a template, right, from the Google Slides. We're going to choose it. I'm selecting it. We created it in the drive. Click on from drive. And can you see the Google Slide folder? Yeah, click on it. Yeah, and select it. Now, okay. Yeah, it's successfully selected, but I'll show you what happens if you copy and paste the values. I'll show it now. So I'm just going to copy the name value and paste it. And if I select it again, yeah, okay, I'll select it again, you'll see an error pops up. So that's why I told you not to copy and paste. The autocrat won't fetch tags like that. So make sure you do that. I'll just correct it and I'll show you the third step. Okay, I corrected it. I'm going to the third step. Okay, we are going to map the sources of the template into the sheet. Yeah. Okay, and then click on that merge tab file and click on sheet 1 because we are going to merge the sheet into the slide. Okay, it will automatically load the values since we wrote it manually, and the exact values. Only 1 or 2 is going to miss. Please check that before you take it. So these values are going to substitute in this value to create a template. Okay, check for it. Okay, can you see the chemistry is missing? So I'll click on it and check on it manually. Okay, now I'm just going to click next. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay, click on next. Now we're going to name the file, the final file of every student's template, you know. So I'm just going to name it report card, and if you want the child's name in the front of the report card file's name, make sure you click on that blue bar on the left side and click on the name tag and then paste it down here. What this is going to do is going to type the names of the student first and then report card, like example AABC's report card. Yeah. Now I'm going to select it into PDF. I don't want it to be slides, I just want it to be PDF. The single and the multiple output modes, they're the same, so no need to change it. Okay, yeah, next. This is just choosing the folder's destination, and again go next and click on next again. Now here whether you want to send the emails for the children with the PDF form. You can send these emails as in to every student, and you can also use tags for the students. If you have created a column of Google Mails of the students, you can use the tag and substitute it as well. But since I'm not using it, I'm just clicking no. I'm just gonna click no. Click on next. This is not important as well. Click on just save. And we'll just save your demo report card job. Okay, this is successfully saved. Now I'm just gonna run the report card. Click on that play button and it's gonna run the demo report card job. Okay, it's successfully finished. Now I'll show you the files right now. Okay, I'm just gonna close it and voila, the files are here. Okay, now the files are gonna be exactly as it was. Substitutes values are there. So if you like this video, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.